Hey there, homeowners! Are you ready to discover the magic of TiILE solar systems? If you're thinking of making your home more energy efficient and eco-friendly, this video is just for you. So, what exactly are TiILE solar systems? Imagine solar panels, but instead of bulky traditional panels, you have sleek, beautiful tiles that blend seamlessly with your roof. These solar tiles aren't just for looks, they're designed to capture the sun's energy and convert it into electricity, just like regular solar panels. Now, let's talk about how they work. Solar tiles are made up of photovoltaic cells, which are the key players in converting sunlight into electricity. When sunlight hits these cells, it creates an electric field, generating direct current DC electricity. This DC electricity is then sent to an inverter, which converts it into alternating current AC electricity that can be used to power your home. One of the coolest things about TiILE solar systems is that they're super durable. They're built to withstand harsh weather conditions, from heavy rain to strong winds, and even hail. That means you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. But wait, there's more. TiILE solar systems are designed to be highly efficient. Because they're integrated into the roof, they have a lower profile and can capture sunlight more effectively than traditional panels. Plus, their sleek design adds a modern touch to your home's aesthetic, giving it a unique and stylish look. Now, you might be wondering about the installation process. Installing TiILE solar systems is a bit different from regular panels, but it's just as straightforward. The tiles are installed directly onto your roof, and they're connected to form a seamless, interconnected system. It's important to work with a professional installer to ensure everything is set up correctly and safely. So why should you consider TiILE solar systems? For starters, they can significantly reduce your energy bills. By generating your own electricity, you'll rely less on the grid, which means you'll pay less for energy. And of course, using solar energy is great for the environment. It's a renewable resource that helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions and our reliance on fossil fuels. Another fantastic benefit is the potential increase in your home's value. Homes with solar installations are often more attractive to buyers, and they can sell for a higher price. Plus, there are various incentives and rebates available for homeowners who install solar systems, making it an even more attractive investment. In summary, TiILE solar systems offer a beautiful, efficient, and durable way to harness the power of the sun. They're an excellent choice for homeowners looking to save on energy costs, increase their home's value, and do their part for the environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content on home improvements and energy-saving tips. See you next time!